Hello guys, welcome back to Human Channel. We are at the Perth Wildlife Park and it's the kangaroo feeder. The banana and the penguin feeding now.
We have a total of 13 little penguins, and just like their name suggests, they're the smallest species of penguins in the world. They grow to a height of 30 to 40 centimetres tall, and they weigh an average of around 1.2 kilograms. Inside the TV track here, they're all fully grown adult penguins.
What is he feeding?
I don't know.
Oh look, you guys coming. Are those fish alive?
Are the emperor penguins, who are the largest of all the penguin species. Those guys can grow over a metre tall and weigh over 40 kilograms.
First he's feeding the penguins, next he's gonna feed the seagulls. These are Africa penguins. Usually that this kind. These are Africa penguins. They usually like to
Is what he said?
What?
What?
These are very large.
Very small.
First I feed them. Ah, no fair. No.
This is small. We still can see his heart.
Around 300 grams of fish per day.
Look at that. Hey yo! He came in. He just dived.
The silver gull stole the fish.
Oh, so cute. Uh-oh, what happened? It's too far for him to swim. The seagull is an imposter.
The silver gull.
Trying to intimidate, trying to be one of the penguins. Look at the other penguin pulling his friend. Later can we go to time zone? Next crocodile.
Tonight we got time. There's time zone. Stop talking. Stop talking. Fish.
The other one, Give me.
Once I'm done here, I will be heading over to the pelican, and I'll be giving them their lunch as well. Feel free to follow me over there after that. But it looks like Harvey's pretty ready for me to start feeding.
Give me. Is that a baby? He's a baby, that's why. Give me. Where's the fish?
He couldn't go. He went down. Already going down.
There's just a fish at
The fish already there. Maybe something.
I see. The seagulls get the fish in the water, but when the fish is thrown in front of them, they don't know what to do.
Yeah, so is that supposed to be
He's a pretty dumb super girl.
Tapi dia nggak ketemu.
The super girls take the food that's for the penguins, but they don't take the food that's for them.
I want to snatch food.
Pakai pegel.
Look at this red one. I mean, it's almost a real thing. Wait, like the way it walks. Pick that Just swallow. Whoa.
Let's go. Wanna go to the It's a riot!
He jumped in. Yeah. And the spirit is at the bottom. The spirit
Chưa banget dengan pusing sih.
Where is the